Hi everyone, Alan Dawson, Business Depot Agency Broking. Great to be back in front of you again. Have a special guest with me today, Craig Harrison, one of the directors of the Business Depot accounting team. Craig, welcome.
G'day Al, g'day everyone.
Just been coming across a couple of situations of late, and I wanted to bring Craig's expertise from an accounting point of view in that a couple of people that have existing rent rolls weren't quite sure of their position, Craig, around their existing equity within that rent roll and their capability, if you like, to be able to maybe acquire another one, have an acquisition situation happen, and just like to get your view around that and whether sometimes that equity can naturally be used without a lot of funding to go into another purchase.
Yeah, it's not an uncommon question, Al. We come across it a bit where people are looking at acquiring a rent roll and they think they're going to have to fund it out of cash. The magical number is normally around 60% a bank will lend when you acquire a rent roll. So they sort of think they have to come up with 40% of the cash right there and then. But you know, if you've already got an existing rent roll, the banks will utilise that when they look at a combined rent roll basis. Okay. So if you've got, say, a rent roll worth $1 million and at the moment you've got $250,000 worth of debt against it, and you want to acquire a rent roll that's worth, say, $500,000, they'll go, okay, well, we'll lend you $500,000, add it to the $250,000 you've already got, $750,000 worth of debt, on a combined rent roll value of $1.5 million. So that sits at a 50% LVR, which is, you know, under that magical 60%. So can be done without having to dig into your pocket at all, or even much if it needs to be.
Yeah, and I know of a couple that that missed out on an acquisition because they weren't in the right position or knew the word around it. But a couple of others that have actually acquired one and had to put nothing in at all. It's just it's been able to self-fund basically. So sometimes what I think it's important is to get a bit of an appraisal, if you like, on your existing portfolio. Come and see someone like Craig at Business Depot Accounting just to make sure that can sort of look into your budget. They can put it into your bottom line, see what that looks like, and the difference that could make to your business could be quite substantial. So happy to help you out from an accounting point of view, but also our expertise in agency broking just to give you an assessment, and we can work it out from there for you should you require. Great to be back in front of you, as I mentioned. Our details are at the end of the recording if you'd like to talk to Craig and myself, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you.
Cheers, guys.